Good morning. So, of course, on my way to work today, I was thinking, and yeah, that's where most time I do my thinking is on my way to work because it's just me. It's probably about an hour drive. So, the difference between human nature and learned behavior. And I'm talking males and females. There's a human nature aspect to both sexes, both genders. But there's a learned behavior. There is a learned behavior that happens in the process of life. However, there are some times when those two aspects don't equal out. And tentatively, they're supposed to. One runs away from the other. It is in my belief when one runs away from the other and becomes dominant, it sows a level of frustration. Human nature, and I've said this on many occasions, and it's not offensive, and my hat messed up. It's not offensive if you understand what I'm saying. And I'm going to say it in this video. I don't know any woman born on this earth can teach a boy how to be a man. On the same token, I don't know a man that can teach a little girl how to be a woman. A woman has to do that. And on the flip side of the coin, a man has to teach a boy. That's a true fact. We built different. We're we're we we're built different. Man and woman are built different. Now, there are things that I cannot teach my daughter. Can I teach my daughter discipline? Yes. Can I teach my daughter respect? Yes. Can I teach? There's a lot of things as a man that I can teach my daughter. However, there's a human nature aspect that only my wife and her friends can teach my daughter. There are conversations that probably my wife and my daughter have that I can't have with my daughter because she won't understand it. And the beauty of it is, here's the beauty of it. This learned behavior, can be a tool to master or to master the teaching of human nature. I'm going to say that again. I'm going to say it a different way. The learned behavior, when applied to human nature, is dependent on the person relaying the message. My wife teaches my daughter how to be a woman. A man ain't got no business doing that, because his thinking doesn't coincide with the human nature of a woman. It don't. This is the truth. As well as, I'm going to let you in a little secret. A man can see himself in a young man on surface. So here's the thing. Men are very, very simple creatures. From a male's standpoint, a woman is a very complex personality. Notice what I said. Men are very simple creatures. Women are very complex personalities. It's hard to distinguish between the two. Actions speak louder than words. A real man accepts and moves on. A woman and a man thinks different. Most men think in straight line. Rock on that. Take the time to understand what I mean. It's not bad people. It's not bad people. I believe that there's good in anybody. However, when human nature and learned behavior are not equal, it causes frustration, and these close, and these become deceptive. That's it. Holla.